This is the elevator at the radio building in Hofstra University. I was here on a school trip. We're gonna get a proper take of this one. LA Surf's 3 floors, so the typical older Otis button. I've only written this down, I never wrote it up. So let's see if this motor's any good. Alright, listen to the motor. Three got burnt out now. Oh. Going down? You come.
Yeah, you going down?
Yeah, I'm going down. Going to 1 or 2?
1, please.
Oh, sorry. Great level.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No, we're just not talking about this. Yeah. Yep. I knew. Stand by that.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Fully done.
No, plug something in.
Alright, we'll do this one more time. Oh. 2 or 3? You going to 3?
Yeah.
Okay. The button. Alright, before someone gets in. Okay, we'll get the cavity now. This one looks a lot like the other 2 series ones on this campus. This one has the newer cab. This one probably has a phone, but I can't get it open. Older series 1 buttons. Clicky reset. Yep. Let's get do it with this one. Yeah, I was here on a school trip. That lantern does not work. Oh, damn. Where the drop keyhole is. Alright, that's it.